What happens when a student refuses to sing Vande Mataram in its entirety in school? Petitioner challenges singing entire Vande Mataram song in schools, citing references to Hindu deities. The petition highlights that students from minority communities may be forced to sing lyrics that are not part of their religious practices. The petitioner claims that this practice violates Article 28(3) of the Constitution, which guarantees freedom to manage and administer educational institutions without interference. The challenge is expected to spark a debate on the role of national songs in Indian schools. References to Hindu deities in the additional stanzas of Vande Mataram create an unwarranted religious atmosphere in educational institutions, said the petitioner. In a significant development, a writ petition has been filed in the Karnataka High Court challenging the mandatory singing of the entire Vande Mataram song in schools. The petitioner argues that while the first two stanzas of the national anthem are patriotic and inclusive, the additional stanzas that refer to Hindu deities create an unwarranted religious atmosphere in educational institutions. The petitioner contends that students from other faiths may feel excluded or uncomfortable singing these additional stanzas, which may lead to a sense of alienation and disrespect for their own beliefs. The plea seeks to strike down the mandatory singing of Vande Mataram in its entirety as unconstitutional. Was this verdict fair, or did the judge go too far? Tell us in the comments yes or no.
Here's what this means for you. If you're a student or parent facing pressure to sing Vande Mataram in its entirety, know that you can seek relief under Article 28(3) of the Constitution. File a complaint with the Education Department or approach a court for protection. Save this video for future reference.
Follow Legal Output on Instagram and Legal Output Official on YouTube for daily legal updates.